Welcome back to Explain America. This is your host, Kyle Becker. Well, former FBI Director James Comey was indicted by a grand jury based on evidence that he misled the Congress and that he leaked information to his lawyer and to a press reporter. And there have been some disturbing developments in this case, and it regards a Biden-appointed magistrate judge. And he is reportedly about to side with Comey and his lawyers about striking down slam dunk evidence that could be admitted in the court. And this would just be a damaging blow to the court case. And if you want to see James Comey face justice, I recommend that you hear this story out. And please like, share, and comment at Explain America. We appreciate your support for common sense journalism. Now, James Comey was indicted on September 25th in Virginia for making false statements to Congress and obstructing a proceeding based on his 2020 testimony about leaks in the FBI's Russia probe. Now, Trump pushed the DOJ to prosecute Comey and fired resisting U.S. Attorney Eric Siebert and appointed his ex-lawyer Lindsay Halligan as acting U.S. Attorney to file charges before the statute of limitations expired. Now, Comey, he pleaded guilty on October 8th, and his team is now calling this a vindictive prosecution. Oh, irony of ironies. And this is purportedly fueled by Trump's grudge, citing posts and statements. Now, it is critical to recognize here this isn't Trump's personal vendetta. Comey lied to the Congress. And Trump's statements, well, they're not a get-out-of-jail-free card. He broke the law, allegedly, according to the fact pattern and the evidence, and that is what's at stake here, because the judge can't obviously brush aside a court case based on the evidence, so what he can do is get rid of the evidence, right? Well, on October 20th, Comey's lawyers moved to dismiss, arguing selective prosecution. Well, isn't that peachy? Donald Trump has been facing selective and vindictive prosecution for years. And he also claims that Halligan's appointment was improper because there was no Senate confirmation. Of course, this is pending Senate confirmation. And so there are prior rejections by career prosecutors, according to such arguments in the past. So these are all putting Comey's case in peril. And Attorney General Pam Bondi appointed Halligan as a special attorney to fix the any perceived issues with her appointment. Now, Magistrate Judge Fitzpatrick and District Judge Michael Nachmanoff may side with Comey and toss key evidence from a 2018 Arctic Haze warrant regarding Dan Richman's devices and states that reusing this violates the Fourth Amendment. And that includes texts and emails between Comey, Richmond, and a New York Times reporter. And like I said before, these texts do not appear to be privileged because Comey was still in office and official statements are not privileged. They belong to the U.S. government. And so these texts should be admissible in the court of law. The DOJ has seen them before. And the case status right now is there's no indication that it will be outright dismissed, but there are purportedly evidence flaws and irregularities, and that's according to Comey's defense. And so what's the big upshot of all of this? And that Comey leaked information to interfere in the 2016 election, and that was to push forward a Hillary Clinton and DNC hatched plot. Regarding the Steele dossier, there are handwritten notes now that show Comey referencing the HRC plot, and that is really damning. We reported on that recently. So Comey is nailed dead to rights. He knew this was a Hillary Clinton hatched scheme. He was acting as a hatchet man. He needs to face justice. The judges need to stop playing around. We're watching them like a hawk. And maybe the judges need to be reminded politely about their duty to uphold the law. So weigh in with your own thoughts. What do you think about Comey's case? Do you want to see justice in this case? And what would that look like to you? Thank you very much for watching Explain America.